Hey, welcome to the garage. What we have here is a life-size, well I hope, Squid Game doll that was obviously 3D printed, and we're gonna put it together. Let's give a quick round of applause for the vending machine. It printed all of this in 1 week using a 1.2 millimeter nozzle, 0.6 layer lines, and surprise, surprise, I had 0 failures. Not one. I made some adjustments from one leg to the next in print quality, but no failures at all that I had to actually reprint, like say an arm or something. The only bad thing about that was I used a whole bunch of energy, like heat, and 18 rolls of filament at 2.2 pounds a roll. I got some bad news for you guys. This part of the video is actually a little bit later on than what actually happened before. I lost some footage due to a small memory card and I just didn't notice it. So I went ahead and hot glued it all down. It worked pretty good. However, I would recommend a Gorilla Glue or constructive adhesive. I wanted to sand it all down and paint it. I just didn't have enough time. I was busy working on other designs and projects for you guys, and I'm really excited about that too. Even more excited than the Squid Game doll. I do have some good montage footage for you though of the 3D printed process. So let's go ahead and check that out. Hey guys, welcome back. Got my assistant with me today. If you enjoyed that montage, please hit that like button. If you haven't hit the subscribe button already, please do so as well. So check this out. If you guys look at the top of the screen, you'll see the Halo sword from the previous video. One day it just fell down, exploded into a bunch of pieces, so I decided to reprint it because it looks pretty cool on that shelf. One thing that happened though that I'm going to show you guys is that at the end of this print process, I opened up the door because I don't have a part cooling fan. And what happened was it actually shifted or actually distorted several millimeters to one side to where I thought I had layer line skips or something serious was wrong. I thought I would show you that there's just a lot of little factors that go on with 3D printing machines, and sometimes you just don't realize it. Alright guys, I'm going to head off onto the next project. You can actually hear one of them, the Palette 3. I actually have that running and installed. Just a lot of testing and tuning. Videos coming soon, along with some more other cool videos from big projects, big prints, just a whole bunch of cool stuff.